Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It's slightly cloudy here in Benidorm today, but it's around 20 degrees, and we came down to the famous Benidorm's Market. It's Wednesday. Let's go and check out what kind of goodies and finds can we see here and what the prices are right now towards the end of December. Do holidays affect the prices? Let's check it out. We will be heading towards the market. My hubby's right there already waiting for us. But first, we need to do a very important thing. We need to find the chief of security on the market and ask for the authorization. This is what you need to do every single time you come here because it's a private parking lot, which is what we're doing right now. We've achieved the authorization. As we've told you before, we were waiting for the chief officer, like chief security manager, to come. What we usually do is, since it's a private parking lot, it's a private precinct, so it's not allowed to film or make pictures, nothing like this at all. So you need to be very cautious with it. And each time when you come here, you need to ask them for a permission. Usually they don't allow it, but since we know them already, we've been here for quite some time, quite a few videos. We know one of the security of here, and they can say that we're nice people. We're not doing it for like a bad purpose or anything. We're just informing people and showing.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
We watch you every day.
Thank you.
Everything that it has to offer, which is quite a lot, I must say. So whenever we come here, just let you know, it's all official videos because not a lot of people are allowed to do so. Let's see what the Benidorm's market is on about right now, mid-December. As you can see, there's way more winter-ish products. There are still some shopping bags, like to go to the supermarket or towards this market, like that open air market. Then there are still some things that are summer-ish. Still a lot of summer things, which is strange because it's already winter basically right here. It's a calendar winter, it's December. So apart from that, we're able to find some phone cases if you need it. They're doing phone repairs. They have cases for iPads for children to make it safer for them to use in case it falls down. There's some handmade jewelry, and there's also these typical things, these flamenco dresses that they are selling, especially for tourists. A lot of tourists love them. And this one right here, it's the first time I see it. It's AliExpress, DHL, and Amazon, which says surprise package. Wow. From 5 to 10 euros. That's actually insane. There's some of them saying 20 euros on it. And I suppose you cannot say what it is. You cannot see what it is in a lot of them. So, which is why it's like a surprise package. A lot of people are buying it. So maybe we'll do that next time. It's fun. It can go both ways. Either it's going to be nice and worth it, or if it's going to be an absolute garbage and it's not going to be possible to use it at all. But it's still interesting and fun to see these type of things. Obviously, there's still bags, there's still accessories. There are some t-shirts, shirts, and sweaters right here. One for 13 euros, one for 12, for 15, for 16. Depends on if it's like truly winter sweater, then it's going to be around 15, 16, 20 euros. More or less that price. Here we have some bars that do offer freshly pressed orange juice, ham and cheese, toast, coffee with a croissant, typical Spanish breakfast, international breakfast, a little bit of everything. And it's not the only one. There's quite a few more here on the market. Also a lot of cheap offers, like one for 3 euros, one for 1 euro, like underwear, lingerie, things like this. A lot of people actually purchase it here. It's quite normal. Then we have some Christmas t-shirts mixed out with summer dresses, which is quite strange. I mean, I guess if you're coming from a cold country, it's gonna be like summer here. But even so, even tourists right now are wearing hoodies and are wearing like something more because it is chilly in the morning. It is chilly. It's not summertime any longer. Here we have a place where you can get some nice things as well. One for €3 and two for five. This is like it's not a second hand, but it's like something from the shops that have closed down and now they're selling it really cheap. Even like for 10 for €5, it's still very, very nice. And there are some good things that you can purchase. Even branded ones can be seen. Some more fun things for children to wear, like costumes, tutus, etc. Ooh, some warm socks, the ones that are anti-slippery ones that you use in winter right next to the chimney. And now let's head to see how much food costs out here on the market. Here we have mandarins. They cost 2 kilograms for only €1. That's not bad at all. Then we have onions, 89 cents for a kilo, 89 cents for potatoes as well. Let us know what the prices are in your country, not taking into consideration like supermarkets. Okay, because we know that Lidl, for example, has also quite cheap prices. Here we have some bell peppers, euro 59, euro 10 for persimmons like kakis. Then different types of greens as well, cucumbers, €1 20, lettuces, 89 cents, other type of cabbages, 1.19, €1 aubergines, for example. This is not a bad price. This is not a bad price at all for a market, I must say. It's quite surprising. In Albir, it's slightly more expensive. Let's say it like this. Albir Market is one of the most expensive ones of the area. So if you did not see it, we have a video showing it to you here on the channel. Check out, put Benidorm by Anna most expensive market, and you will be able to see what it actually looks like and what the prices potentially are on it, because it's way more expensive than Benidorm's is. Apart from fruit, vegetables, and clothing, etc., we can find handcrafts and things like this that are made from quartz. I think it's called the thing that you take out of the bottle of wine before drinking it, like the thing that seals the wine inside and the quality of it. So you can purchase that. Different types of bags, €12. That's also not a bad price. And we have another bar, another terrace slash cafeteria where you can get some drinks and some snacks. Let's see for the prices. They even have some churros with chocolate. That's my hubby right here. Churros, okay, we have them. Half churros, €2. One churros, €4. If it's with chocolate, it's 4 and 6 euros. Only chocolate, hot chocolate, €2. Onion rings, 2.50. Then we have fricandel, €4. And there were also baguettes, like with ham, lettuce, etc., for around €5. That's how much it costs. Kiwis, 1.50. And then a lot of spices. Look at this. Cinnamon, €1 20. Coriander, special mixes of different spices for typical Spanish meals. Different types of peppers, saffron. There is a lot of different things that we tend to cook everywhere in the world. There's curry, there's different leaves, there's different dried out veggies, and much more. And it's way cheaper to purchase it like this in bags here on the market than buying it directly from the shop, because what you pay for the most is not only the content but the glass or like the plastic where it's held in. So bear that in mind. Right here nearby, we also have some apples, 1.99 for a kilo, 1.99 persimmons. Well, that's a normal price. 5.90 special types of tomatoes, 3.50 other tomatoes. Look at this piece of broccoli, €1, for example. 1.59 potatoes, that's slightly expensive. You need to go through the whole entire market to check it out, because there are places that are actually quite cheap. Look at this. My hubby says they're not selling fries anymore because the oil is expensive, so they took down the fries from this place and they're selling all the rest. Then we have the caramels, different types of candy here without sugar as well. This is like something for the children. Dry out fruit, even honey. This is a natural honey, 9.50 per kilo, or €18, 2 kilos. Then different types of plants, flowers, even Christmas plants out here, small palm trees, and aromatic herbs. Look at this. Here you have 2.95 for tomatoes. €1 kilogram of mandarins, but the other ones were 2 kilograms for €1. Aubergines, we have the same out here. Even eggs. And right next to the eggs, you can find magnets. Magnets for the price of €1.50 per each magnet. Jewelry we can also find right nearby. That's my hubby right there watching. We are doing 2 for 1. We are filming today video and we are purchasing as well. We got some mandarins, we got some socks, warm socks as well, and some more stuff for us for home. Here we have some summer types of clothing as well, and then some scarves. By the way, these scarves are looking really, really nicely, but when you see it, it says cashmere, but then below cashmere, it says feeling. So it's cashmere feeling, like you feel like it's cashmere, that it's soft. But it's not actually cashmere, obviously, because the price is not this. It's like probably going to be like 8, 10, 15 euros maybe, but it's not cashmere. It says cashmere and small letters, feeling. That's actually very fun. But if people don't see it, they can actually think that they're purchasing cashmere, which is actually not the case. But who cares if it's warm, it's comfy, it's fluffy, it's nice for a touch, right? It doesn't really matter for a lot of people. Then we have some more souvenirs, different types of random goodies that you can purchase out here. We have sports shoes, another bar, cafeteria, terrace, big one right here at the end of the market already. Does serve some coffee, tea, refreshing drinks, and snacks. Here we have t-shirts, even swimwear for 15 euros. That's slightly expensive right now in winter, but I think that's like a whole outfit, like 2-piece set, which maybe then it's a good price, but you can find for 10 euros, 12, more or less like that. Underwear as well, but the vast majority of this underwear is synthetics, so bear that in mind. If you decide to purchase just with the touch, you're able to see if it's a synthetics or if it's like natural material. Apart from that, there are some good things more than what we've seen already in today, which are shoes made in Spain, typical Spanish, great place to purchase them. You can always bargain, don't be afraid to do so. Some more magnets out here, 1 for 3, 2 for 5. Then we have some nice jewelry also here. This is a jewelry shop here on the left side. This is Benidorm Alicante jewelry place. That's interesting. Probably it's like covered with something. Not like pure silver or gold. Maybe silver, yes, but gold, I don't think so. But maybe just plated, gold plated or like covered with it. Even some cosmetics you're able to find here on the market too, which is from the local shops that do diversify and decide to sell things not only in their shop, but also one of the workers is going to the market or the owner itself. Even some covers for the table with Christmas theme here, 12, 15, 8 euros. Even carpets. If you need a carpet and you're in Benidorm, this is where you can go. These are very, very good quality ones, I must say, because we did purchase for ourselves a few of them and they're still here a couple of years after. So good quality goodies are available on the market as well. This was the Wednesday's market, the famous open air Benidorm market right now in December. These are exclusive videos, by the way, because each time that we're coming here to the market, as it's a private space, you need to ask for the authorization, and usually they say no cameras on the market. So we're really, really lucky that we're able to get inside and show you all the prices, everything in more detail. This is one of the most favorite markets here in the area, cheaper than in Albier as well. And on Wednesday, the prices are slightly lower than if you would find them on Sundays, for example. So bear that in mind. Always check for nice offers, bargain, they love it. Not too much so that it wouldn't be offensive, obviously, but you can still bargain if you love it, and you will be able to get the things slightly cheaper than they are. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video, and we'll see you in a new video here on the channel tomorrow. Bye, dears.